In this video, we shall replace the BOSS module in a PowerEdge R6715. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the BOSS in-1 module with risers 2 and 4 removed from the system, lift up on the blue latch and then slide the module out of the system. To install the BOSS in-1 module, align it with the rear of the system and slide it in until fully seated, and then press the blue latch to secure it. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6715, visit dell.com/support.